Hey there, Dustin here from the Gravity team. A customer complaint form may not be the most exciting form you'll ever make, but it can play a vital role in the success of your business and website. Why? Well, a customer complaint form gives you direct feedback from your customers that helps inform the decisions you make regarding your product or service. So with that in mind, let's take a look at how to build one with Gravity Forms. Let's start by using the simple contact form template. I'll title mine Customer Complaint Form and then select Use Template. When adding fields, you want to keep in mind what fields make the most sense for your form. For instance, I want users to have the option to be contacted via phone, so I'm going to add the phone field. I'm then going to add the multiple choice field and use it to ask the customer the best time of day to call them. I'll also enable conditional logic for this field and only have this field appear if the phone field is not empty. Our form is starting to take shape, however there's a bit more I'd like to do with it. I want users to be able to submit images along with this form to help clarify their issue. To accomplish this goal, I'll need to use the File Upload field. With the File Upload field, I can specify the file extensions I want to accept, as well as configure multi-file upload and set the maximum file size. Before I save my form, I'll also add a consent field that requires the user to agree to my privacy policy before they can submit the form. For a customer complaint form, it's a good idea to give users a more personalized confirmation message and notification email, letting them know when they can expect to hear back from me. So for this example, I'll edit the default confirmation to let the user know they can expect to hear back from me within 1 business day. I'll update the user notification as well. Then I'll embed my form on a new page and be all set. That'll do it for this video. Thanks as always for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to let us know in the comments. See you next time.